Hello Dnation and welcome to a Deadpool Mania unbox and review series. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing something special. It is the long-awaited Marvel's Deadpool Riders Edition Funko Pop that I waited to get for a long time, so I could add this to my unique one-of-a-kind Deadpool collection. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, which seems to be premium as always. This Deadpool Funko Pop bobblehead comes in a signature Funko window type boxing with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this packaging before we set little DP free. And with that out of the way, let's crack this thing open, and please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, today I'm really excited as this episode has to do with the Merc with the mouth. It's none other than Deadpool. Today I'm presenting the Merc with the mouth riding his favorite red scooter, proclaiming his love for chimichangas and all his witty things. This is a caricature version of Deadpool manufactured by Funko. This Funko Pop is a fun collectible for Deadpool and Marvel fans. Deadpool can be seen enjoying his ride as he pumps up his fist in the air and whizzes past the rest of the world. His scooter is as funky as him and sports 2 stickers saying "Hold on" and "I love chimichangas." And this is an amazing addition to any Deadpool or Marvel fans collection, and this makes me all the more happy because I collect only Deadpool figurines and merch, and I'm happy to add this to my personal Deadpool universe collection. And at first glance, this Funko Deadpool looks quite premium and has a sturdy build quality to it with quite a bit of detailing. And this Funko is manufactured mostly of high-grade vinyl, which makes it look premium looking. This Funko Pop is an official licensed Marvel merchandise and measures in at 4 inches in height and weighs in at about 195 grams. This Funko also comes with trademark Deadpool paint apps with standard branding details and is an action figure come bobblehead. And as you can see, little Deadpool is cruising on his signature red scooter with his katana, which looks awesome. A stand is also provided for display purposes. Overall, I'm really happy that I made a choice to get this variation of Deadpool, as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing Deadpool action figure collection. And with this licensed model, you guaranteed a figurine which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any Deadpool or Marvel fans. And this is a Deadpool Funko Pop that I unboxed a while ago. I'll drop the link in the description below in case you missed it. So go check it out and let me know what you think. I just brought this out to make a size comparison. Well, this Funko Pop measures in at 3.5 inches in height and weighs in at about 130 grams. This Funko also comes with the trademark Deadpool paint apps and with standard branding details, and also is a bobblehead and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible as well. Now both these models are the same scale. They are a bit different because the previous Funko Pop was on a scooter and this one is a standalone. So let's go ahead and make a side-by-side comparison. Well, the signature Deadpool color scheme is prominent between these two models, and so is the branding details. And as we discussed earlier, although these Funkos are different, these two licensed pops almost match up in height, and only one major difference is that the DP is seated on a scooter and this little guy is a standalone. And there is a small difference, but that's normal considering the fact that this Deadpool is on a scooter unlike the other one. But besides that, the scale comparison seems to be spot on, and I'm glad to add this to my ever-growing Deadpool action figure collection. And now let's take a closer look at this Deadpool licensed Funko Pop. by the looks of it, this seems to be a real premium Deadpool Funko Pop. So with that being said, let's take Deadpool for his maiden ride and witness him enjoying his funky scooter ride as he pumps up his fist in the air and whizzes past the rest of the world. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium licensed Funko Pop in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this funky looking Funko, and I give it a massive thumbs up, be it for quality, build and even price. So with that being said, let's place this funky duo on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this Merc with the mouth in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Funko is an American company that manufactures licensed pop culture collectibles, best known for its licensed vinyl figures and bobbleheads. In addition, the company produces licensed plush, action figures, and electronic items such as USB drives, lamps, and headphones. Founded in 1998 by Mike Becker, Funko was originally conceived as a small project to create various low-tech, nostalgia-themed toys. The company's first manufactured bobblehead was of the well-known restaurant advertising icon, the Big Boy mascot. Sold in 2005, Funko is now headed by CEO Brian Mariotti. Since then, the company has increased the scope of its toy line and signed license details with major companies. In 2011, Funko began selling their pop vinyl line of figures. By 2012, the company had sold more than $20 million worth of merchandise. And for further information on Funko, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Funko Pops that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Pops are your favorite. And I would like to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. Kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for a lot more fun stuff coming up. And this brings us to the end of this unique, amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.